Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for gold, US dollar, currency pairs for the coming week. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, 6th of March, at 1 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Swiss franc related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect the current trend to continue or a little bit of consolidation to start on Monday. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the past trend of the price action, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bearish side, and after taking support around the support level of 1804, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So from the past price action, we know that this level of 1804 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone or a demand zone for the future price action. So when we look at the latest price action or the candle it has formed, previously it formed a doji candle, which is an indecision candle. Then we have noticed a very strong bullish candle to be formed. This whole zone was a supply zone. So the price action has broken this supply zone with a very strong bullish candle, which shows the strength of the bullishness in daily time frame. So we can expect the further continuation of the bullish trend. Again, next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1863, which is also a very strong supply zone from the past price action. But how far this bullish trend is going to continue? We have to look at the past price action on the left hand side. So from the past price action, we can notice that this level, which is around 1882, had acted as a very strong resistance level, from where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So the very strong resistance is going to be around 1882, which is also the 50% retracement level of the Fibonacci's retracement tool. So only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal. Till this level of 1882, we can only consider this as a retracement. It is not a bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. So I have drawn a channel pattern to make it easy for you to understand, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side, and after breaking this resistance line, we have noticed a bullish trend to continue in past price action. Again, in the current price action also, if the price action wants to continue with bullish trend reversal, it has to break this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, which gives the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. But still, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, it is considered as a bullish trend in daily time frame. So for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bullish trend, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1864. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1882, 1900 and 1927. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1804, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue with daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. In the past, we have noticed a price action to fall on a bearish side trend reversal from the resistance level of 1882, and currently we have noticed a price action to take support around the support level of 1804 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Till this level of 1882, it will only be considered as a bullish side retracement. It will not be considered as a bullish trend reversal. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1882, it will be the bullish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. And to make it easier, I have drawn a channel pattern for the 4 hours time frame also, and the midline of this bullish channel pattern also in green color. In the past, we have noticed a price action to respect this midline of this bullish channel pattern, and currently also we have noticed a price action to break this midline of this bullish channel pattern and to continue with bullish side retracement. So for the 4 hours time frame, wait for the price action to break this midline of this bullish channel pattern if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. And as long as the price action is trading above this midline of this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. Breaking means the candles have to close below this midline of this bullish channel pattern. Wait for 1 or 2 candles to get the confirmation. Sometime you might notice a shadow formation like this. It doesn't mean breach of this support line. It's only a testing of this midline of this bullish channel pattern. So wait for a proper confirmation if you want to enter on the bearish side trades. And for now, the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bullish trend. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1857 and support level of 1847. And if the bullish side retracement continues, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1871 and 1889. And if the bearish side trend reversal happens, breaking this support level of 1847, next level of support is going to be around 1836, 1824 and 1804. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to strongly trend on the bullish trend. I am drawing a trend line in order to understand the current trend of the price action for the hourly time frame. And based on this trend line also we are noticing the price action to strongly trend on the bullish trend. So for the hourly time frame, as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. And once the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in hourly time frame. The values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1856 and support level of 1852. And current trend of the price action is in the bullish trend. Once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1856, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1863, 1872, 1883 and 1896. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1852, next level of support is going to be around 1846, next level of support is going to be around 1841 and 1831. It will also be breaking this midline of this 4 hours time frame bullish channel pattern and also the trend line of this hourly time frame, which confirms the start of the bearish side retracement in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we notice a price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is in a very healthy bullish trend, which confirms the continuation of the current bullish trend. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, we have lots of support on the bearish side. We have the midline of this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame and also the trend line from the hourly time frame, which will prevent the price action from falling further on the bearish side. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. For now, the price action is trading between the support level of 1854, and if the bullish side retracement continues, next level of resistance is going to be around 1858, 1863 and 1870. On the other hand, if the bearish side retracement starts from the support level of 1854, next level of support is going to be around 1851, 1848, 1846, 1843 and 1839. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to properly trend on the bullish side, and we are also noticing a consolidation to happen over here. If the price action breaks the support level of 1854, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue, and next level of support is going to be around 1851, 1848, 1844 and 1839. And if the bullish side retracement continues without breaking this support level of 1854, The immediate resistance is going to be around 1858 and 1863. Looking at the current trend of the price action, we can expect little bit of retracement to start. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.